Alright guys, you're welcome back to this course, Excel, Basic Excel, and I believe you've been enjoying the course so far. Now in this lesson we're going to be looking at tables, and we're going to cover quite a number of things, and I know that you are sure going to enjoy it. Now the first thing to know is what exactly are tables. Tables are basically Excel objects, and they help us to manage and analyze data. Now, just like you have this range of data here, these are just basic range of data, which you could as well do some things with them. But with tables, it makes managing this data quite easier, and also doing some basic data analysis. It makes our work much more easier. So we're going to be looking at how we can first make this range of data a table so that we can begin to manage them properly. So first and foremost, let's get to how to create a table out of this range of data. Now this data is just a range of data, so we can convert it into a table. So how do we do that? Now the first thing we'll do is to first and foremost, we could just select this range of data. Can select everything down, but instead of doing this, you can just click on the first cell, then you can do Control Shift right arrow key, then still holding your Control Shift, you go down arrow key. All right, so having done that, you can now do Control T to change to a table, or you could also basically just go to your Insert tab, right, and click on table. So you can do that, click on table here, or do Control T. That will convert this to a table. So I'm just going to click on table here, and observe you have this small dialog box coming up, right, selecting the range of data that you are converting into a table. And here is a very important checkbox. It says my table has headers, right? So you check it because our table actually does have headers. Then you say OK. Now observe what has just happened. So now we've successfully converted this to a table. Now compared to the way it was before, if you observe, there are some changes. First and foremost, you can see these filter icons on each of the headers, and also you can see the banded rows. Banded rows in in the data now, right? If you scroll down, that's what you have to the very last end. Sorry for that. So now another thing you observe is by the time you click on anywhere within the table, you observe that there's a new menu coming up at the top here called Table 2. You can see Design, which you can do quite a number of things from here, right? But if I click outside of the table, you observe that that is gone. If I click inside of the table, then I have Design table under Table 2 coming up, which is an additional function that is added to a table. Or when you create any object like that, you usually see that. So in the next video, we're going to look at quite a number of things, and we'll pick it up from there. I am sure you will enjoy it. See you in the next class.